Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the world time mode on your Casio G-Shock Master of G Mudmaster. This is the GSG-100 watch. This is module 5562 from Casio. So what are we talking about here? This watch, just like a lot of Casio watches, gives you the ability to look at the time in a different time zone or different city other than your current location. I think they give you 31 different time zones and 48 different cities that you can view the time for. The way you're going to get to this setting is you're simply going to press the bottom left button, which is your mode button, one time. When we press it, you should see WT down here in the subdial. First, let me apologize. Hopefully you can see the subdials okay. This has the inverted color, so it's very hard to see the dials on this watch. WT will take us to world time, and it's really pretty simple. Your analog time will always be your current time, and then you will see a city code down here in the middle, and you will see a digital time display, and your digital time display will show the world time that you are viewing. If you need to change it, or if you want to see your city code, you can see KHI. If you press the bottom right button, it will move you through the different city codes moving to the east. If you stop on one of them, DAC for example, it will show you a description of that city code. So you can go through, they have these listed on the Casio website. BKK is Bangkok. Find the city code you want. Every time you go to one, it will change the time display to show you the current time for the given city code. The nice thing about the watch is it will remember what city code you used last. So if Bangkok is really the city that I want to view the world time for, I can go ahead and get out of this mode by pressing the mode button. I'm back in my regular timekeeping mode. The next time I go to world time mode, it will have me in Bangkok because it knows that was the last one that I used. The only other setting you can really change on here is if you look up here, you have your DST or daylight savings time value. If I wanted to put on daylight savings time for my world city, for example, Bangkok, now let's look, it's 2:52. If I press and hold the top left button for a couple of seconds, it will turn on daylight savings for that world time location, not my current location, but for the world time location. So now I've got daylight savings on for Bangkok, and it's showing as 3:52 versus 2:52. It will remember the daylight savings setting per city code. So if I get off of Bangkok, go to a different city code, the next time I come back to Bangkok, it will remember that I had daylight savings time on, and it will show me that. If you want to turn off daylight savings for any city code, while you're on the city code, you would press and hold the top left button, and that would turn off daylight savings. The only other thing you could do is if you wanted to switch your world time value with your current time value. I'm going to try and explain this as simple as I can. My home city location is Chicago. My world city location is Bangkok. So that's what I'm seeing right here. If I wanted to switch the two, I could press the top left button and the top right button at the same time, and it basically flip-flops it. So now my analog hands are showing my world city, and my digital value is showing my home city of Chicago. This is a nice feature for people who travel. Maybe I'm going to Bangkok for work. For the next week, I want my analog hands to be my Bangkok time, and I want to see what time it is back at home in my subdials. Once I get back home, I could switch them back by pressing these two, and now all of a sudden Bangkok has gone back to my world time, and my home location has gone back to my analog time. Pretty simple stuff. I hope that makes sense. Once you're done with the world time mode, you would just simply press the mode button to get out of it and go to a different mode, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and then back to your regular timekeeping mode. I hope the video helps, gives you an idea of how to use the world time mode on your Master of G Mudmaster. Thanks for watching.